A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is in lockstep with the divine. Ladies and gentlemen, across cultures and centuries, one truth quietly survives. Life moves with greater clarity when the human pulse aligns with the deeper rhythm of existence. This rhythm is subtle, not loud, not distant, but present in every breath. Science recognizes it as coherence within mind and body. Ancient wisdom calls it communion with the cosmic order. To walk in lockstep with the divine is to recognize this rhythm and attune to it through awareness that awakens, alignment that steadies, surrender that softens, and trust that opens a silent bridge between the seeker and the source, between creation and the intelligence that sustains it. Practice with patience is the gentle architect of inner evolution. Daily effort, whether in reflection, breath, discipline, or mindful action, gradually reshapes the brain's pathways. Neuroscience names this neuroplasticity. The sages named it abhyasa, the steady refinement of the inner instrument. Practice polishes clarity. Perseverance is the guardian of this journey. It is the quiet consistency that remains when the day is heavy, when motivation dips, or when circumstances feel testing. Perseverance stabilizes growth much like gravity stabilizes orbits. It is not loud, yet it holds everything together. And both practice and perseverance carry moments of discomfort. Growth often begins in friction. Muscles strengthen through strain. Human character strengthens through challenges. Biology calls this adaptive stress. Wisdom traditions call it purification. Pain held with awareness becomes the bridge between limitation and expansion. This is where divine companionship becomes transformative. When awareness matures into communion and communion deepens into trust, the nature of pain changes. It stops feeling like resistance and begins to feel like refinement. The heart senses a presence walking beside it. The mind feels guided. The spirit feels held. In that subtle dialogue between seeker and source, discomfort becomes direction, pressure becomes polishing, and every experience becomes part of an unfolding intelligence. From this relationship emerge three luminous qualities: wisdom that perceives clearly, compassion that responds gently, and courage that steps forward steadily. In their presence, perseverance becomes effortless. Discipline turns into rhythm. Effort flows like a natural current. Progress appears not as sudden leaps, but as a steady dawn expanding across the inner sky. Soft, sure, and transformative. To be in lockstep with the divine is to experience life as a co-movement, a synchrony between personal intent and cosmic intelligence, between created consciousness and the creation itself. What's the way forward? The journey brightens when inner qualities begin to harmonize. When awareness becomes transparent, alignment unifies thought, emotion, and action. Communion nurtures silent connection to the subtle. Surrender allows life to guide without resistance. Resonance tunes inner rhythms to universal rhythms, and trust anchors the heart with the steadiness of a mountain. In this harmony, wisdom becomes natural, compassion effortless, courage unwavering, and life begins to move with a grace that feels divinely choreographed. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when practice steadies, perseverance deepens, awareness clarifies, and divine communion awakens, life reveals a quiet symmetry. Experiences no longer divide, they illuminate. Pain reshapes itself into progress, challenges into catalysts, and every step becomes guided from within. In this sacred synchrony, the seeker does not merely grow, the seeker begins to shine with the radiance of the inner sun, a luminosity born not of effort but of alignment. And the ancient wisdom of the revered Bhagavad Gita resounds with renewed depth, capturing the eternal partnership between human striving and divine guidance. Wherever Lord Krishna stands with the warrior Arjuna, there unfolds unwavering purpose, victorious strength, and the assured rise of the highest destiny. Such is the quiet majesty of walking in lockstep with the divine, where every breath aligns with the cosmic order, every movement becomes a sacred step, and life itself becomes a luminous progression toward its highest expression. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.